Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about navigation and routing in Flutter. And by the end of this video, you will understand how to navigate between different screens in our Flutter application, and which is very essential for building mobile application. So before we start, if you are new here, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all things related to Flutter and mobile app development. Alright, let's get started. So, navigation and routing are fundamental concepts in mobile app development, and they allow user to move between different kinds of pages or screen within app. And in a Flutter, this is handled by the navigator and route classes. So, let's begin by understanding the basic navigator and router uses. So, first, let's comment out the code. I'm uncommenting this code and removing, just don't need it. So I just run my application and I have removed stateful widget, and I have just created one stateless widget and given the name my home page. So let's first add scaffold, and in a scaffold we have body. So here I want to create one button, so I am adding elevated button. And in a child, and in elevated button we have one required parameter, that is on place. So just add. So in onPlace function, we will use the Navigator.push function. So it is a kind of function for going forward to the next screen. Just copy this and create a second screen. I'm creating in the same page for now. And if you have to change the name of the stateless widget, just click on this and click, right click the factor, or you can change the name. I'm not getting option for the rename. I'm directly changing this second screen. And returning any screen, you just have to put the semicolon. So here I don't want to use the button. Here I will just show you the and wrap with the center. And this elaborate button also we want in the center. So just click and tap with the center. And let's check by clicking on this button. So yeah, this is our second screen, and we got the response and we navigated back forwarded to the next screen. So I have just written a text. This is our second screen. So by clicking on this button, go to the second screen button by adding just Navigator.push method and material page router, and in a builder context, we just have to return the second screen. So here we have a simple app with the two screens. The home screen has a button that when pressed navigated to the second screen, and on the second screen we will create one more button going back to the home screen. So let's create that button. Here we will create one app bar. Or else we can do create one more button like this. Like this center widget with a column. So let's call the previous screen. That's my home page. This is our first screen. And I'm just removing this center widget now because we are using column. So in a column we have main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. So we use there. Next, let's look at using name routes. So name routes which are also we used in our code to make it more readable and manageable, especially in large applications. So here we don't use any builder, but we just pass the name of that screen. So let's look into this. I'm just removing this code. And here we just have context and the function name should be push name. Yes. And here I want to perform the back operation. So I'm writing the function Navigator.pop context. What this function will do, this function will go back to the previous screen. Let's define the route's name here. So we have to define these names in our material app. So let's erase this and make one initial route. After that, in routes, we will define home page, which is our first screen, and second we will define this. I have given the second as a name for the my route. I just copy the second screen name. Yeah. Now just rewrote our project, and I have wrapped my button with the center. So let's check. I am writing there. Go back. This will perform the back operation, and we are on our home screen now. I will create one app variable in title. I will write home screen. And copy this app bar. So in app bar, I have written home screen. This is our first screen, and when we tap on this button, that is go to the second screen by using the Navigator.pushNamed function, and we have used the push function here. So by using the name of the class of the screen, we can go back or forward it to the next screen. So just click on this and go to the second screen, and we can go back to the previous screen by using Navigator.push function. So here we define the routes in the material app widget, and we have used the Navigator.push name to navigate between the screens. Now we're gonna discuss about how to pass data between different screens. So let's write a code for this. So now first erase this. I don't want this for passing data between different screens. In home, I'm gonna call my first screen. Yep. After that, I use the Navigator.push again. Material page route. And here I will call second screen, but with the parameter data and hello from home screen. Now we'll add this parameter in our second screen. Like this, and we will receive this data. So create one variable. And in this text, I am replacing this with data, so that whatever data I'm getting from the first screen, I can receive here. So let's run this. So when I click on a go to second screen button, I just came on a second screen, and here you got the message that hello from home screen. That means we received a message from the first screen to the second screen. What message I passed here, I received in the second screen. So by doing this, we can pass our text or any kind of data. Thing to say that I lagged my voice somewhere. I have a little bit of cold today, so apologize for this, and thanks for understanding, and happy coding.